Today let us introduce our this simple version 1500 watts laser welding machine. As you can see, it is very beautiful and compact. It not only can do the laser welding, but also laser cutting and laser weld seam cleaning. It is consist of the main machine, wire feeding machine and laser head. Before we use the machine, please make sure that never point the laser head to any person for safety. Now we will introduce the machine use details for you. The machine wire connection is very easy. Because the machine current is very big, we usually need to connect the wire directly to the STL switch. The brown wire is the live wire marked as L. The blue wire is the neutral line marked as N. The off-white wire is earth wire marked as P. Please make sure the wire connection is completely correct. There are two connection wires for the wire feeding machine. Insert the two wires into the wire feeding machine corresponding port. Like this. As you know, when doing the welding and cutting, we need to ventilate the laser head with nitrogen or argon. The diameter of the machine air tube is 6 mm. We will configure 6 mm and 8 mm connectors to connect to the air tank for you. The pressure of the air tank is generally very high. We need to use a pressure reducing valve to reduce the pressure. The air pressure suitable for the machine is 0.2 to 0.5 MPa, cannot be more than 0.7 MPa. After we open the machine front door, we will see the chiller. The above is water inlet. The below is water outlet. There is a temperature indication on the top. Before sending out the machine, we will remove the water completely. Please fill pure water with the chiller fully before you begin to use it after the machine arrival. Usually we need to completely change the water 2 months at a time. Please note, about the water, it is better that adding pure water or special coolant. In winter, it is better to add special antifreeze, cannot call antifreeze. Before we do the welding, we have to connect the wire feeding machine and laser head wire. Like this. About how to install the wire feeding machine and wire feeding tube to the laser head. There is another video to introduce, no introduction in this video. We can change the wire feeding machine language to English, setting the wire feeding speed and other parameters. About how to replace the laser head lens, there are also other videos to introduce. No introduction in this video anymore. After we connect the wire well, we begin to open the machine. Turn on the STL switch. Twist right the red button. Now the machine has been opened. The default control system is the laser welding system. You can set the laser welding parameter as you want. Now we will change the system language to English. Enter the password 123456 to enter the system setting. And change the language. There are 19 languages available. You can choose what you want. Press save and return. Now the control system language has been changed to English successfully. Press technology to enter the welding parameter. We can set the scan speed, scan width and peak power to get different welding effect. The setting is like this, please kindly check. Usually we just need to set these 3 parameters for different thickness materials. This is the general welding setting. After the setting, press Import to save and press Return to back. You can choose whether open the laser source or not by pressing the laser enable. Also, you can choose the welding mode continuity or spot welding by pressing it. Now the welding system introduction is over. Now we will show you an operation. Turn on the STL switch. Make sure the wire feeding machine connection wire connected correctly. Make sure the gas tube connected correctly and open the gas tank. Twist right the red button. Press down the second blue button. Now the laser source has been turned on. The machine enters the self-test procedure. We have to wait at least 30 seconds to press the third blue button to start the welding. Now the time is over. Press the third blue button and open the laser enable. Now the machine is ready to work. When we do the welding, please make sure that making the clamp on the welding object and keep connection well. Let us enjoy the scheduled spot welding. If you want to do the laser cutting, just close the wire feeding machine and replace the laser head copper nozzle. No need to change the system. This is a general laser cutting setting. If you wanna do the laser seam cleaning, also no need to change the system. Just close the wire feeding machine and replace the laser head copper nozzle. Reduce the machine peak power to a suitable value and then we can do the laser welding seam cleaning directly. Please do not forget that the gas is required not only welding but also cutting and cleaning. Now the machine introduction is over. Thanks for your watching. If any question, please contact us.